Well, residents of this usually quiet area of Kakubri have spoken about the seagulls that are blighting their lives. Some have said that they feel like prisoners in their own home. Others say that it's really affecting their mental health. So much so...
My daughter, I can't get into my house. The seagulls are bombarding me because the chick...
Police say they hope someone burdened with information will help solve a 27-year-old gangland murder.
A Pennsylvania teenager was riding a roller coaster at the Jersey Shore when a seagull flew right into her face.
Look at this.
Here accept that living in a coastal community means that seagulls are going to be around as well. But they say as their population grows, they're living further and further inland, making it difficult to enjoy living.